comparing people, places, and things. I have two best friends, Lucas and Ben. They are very different from each other. Lucas is taller than Ben, but Ben is stronger than Lucas. Lucas loves to run, so he is faster, but Ben is more careful when he plays sports. They are both nice, but Ben is more polite than Lucas. However, Lucas is funnier and always makes us laugh. My house is also different from my cousin's house. My house is smaller, but it's more modern. Her house is less noisy because she lives in the countryside. I think my house is as comfortable as hers. The living room in my house is brighter, but her kitchen is more spacious. Let's talk about pets now. I have a dog and a cat. My dog is bigger than my cat, but my cat is more independent. The dog is more playful, but the cat is less messy. Still, they are as cute as each other. I love both of them the same way. Sometimes I compare cities too. Sao Paulo is more crowded than my city. It's also busier and more expensive. But my city is less polluted, and I think it's as interesting as Sao Paulo in many ways. I like living here because life is quieter and less stressful. Making comparisons helps us talk about differences and similarities in English. You can compare people, animals, places, or objects. Just remember to use more, less, or as, depending on the adjective. Practice every day, and soon you will feel more confident in English than ever before.
Like and subscribe to the channel.